Good morning, children. Today is Monday. Repeat once again. Today is Monday. Today is 20 July 2020. Phonic song of letter U. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Is the sound of U. Once again. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Is the sound of U. Children, please revise phonic song from letter A to letter U. Next, take your rhymes and songs book number 6. Open page number 22. Please revise the rhyme My Kite. Open page number 24. Revise the rhyme Hey diddle diddle. Open page number 37. Revise the rhyme A Joy Ride. Next, open your general awareness book number 4. Open page number 23. Do you like to do what the children are doing? Children, here there are few actions the children are doing. If you like to do, if you feel it is correct, you have to circle yes. If you feel the boy or the girl is doing wrong, you have to circle no. Okay, come on, let's see. Here the children are standing in line. They are waiting for their turn. They are not pushing each other. They are not fighting with each other. See how nicely they are standing? Yes? So standing like this is a good manner. So you have to circle yes. Now next you can see here the boy is brushing his teeth and he opened the tap. See, he is wasting water here. Is this correct? No. So circle no. Now next, here two boys are fighting. Fighting is good manner. No, bad manners. So circle no. Next, here the girl is eating and she is spilling her food out from her mouth. Is this good manner? No, very good. So you have to circle no. Here the boy ate his banana and he is throwing the waste into the dustbin. So throwing waste into dustbin is a good manner. You have to circle yes. Next, here the girl is sharpening her pencil. Is she doing correct? She is throwing all the waste on the floor. Is this correct? No, bad manners. You should not do like that. Okay, circle no. Here, the girl and the boy, they are waiting for their turn to cross the road. They are following the traffic signal light. This is good manners. Okay, when the light shows red, they have to move because the vehicles will stop. Then they have to cross the road. So they are waiting for their turn to cross the road. That is good manners. So you have to circle yes. Here the boy is shouting. Is it good manner? No. So you have to circle no. Here the boy, after playing with toys, he is keeping all the toys back in the place. He is doing cleanup. So doing cleanup after playing with your toys is a good manner. So you have to circle yes. So this is how you have to complete this page. Okay. Page 22. This is your homework. Tick the things you like to do. There are few actions here. Which one you like to do, you have to tick. Okay. Page number 24. This is homework. You have to circle yes or no. See, the boy is staring paper. Do you like to do that? No. So, you have to circle no. The boy is wasting food here. Is it good manner? No. So, circle no here. Now here, children are wishing their teacher. They are greeting. Good morning, teacher. They are telling it is a good manner, right? So, you have to circle yes. Here, the girl is hurting the animal. Hurting animals is good manner? No. So, you have to circle no. Here, the girl is drawing on walls. What is she doing? Drawing on walls, spoiling the walls. Is it good manner? No. So, you have to circle no. So, please complete your homework. Next, take your literacy skills book, book number 1. Open page number 31. Rhyming words. Say the words aloud. Circle the rhyming words in each set. Then write the words. Okay. Now what is this? Tree, bee. Tree, bee. Tree, bee. See here you can see the ending 2 letters are same. So you have to write here tree, tree, bee. So circle now tree, bee. Now next dog, rose. Dog, rose. Is it same? No. Dog, man. Dog, man. Is it same? No. Dog, log. Dog, log. Dog, log. You can make it out, right? Og. O-G here, circle. O-G. So, you have to circle dog, log. Now, please write here dog, log. Doll, fan. Doll, fan. Is it same? No. Fan, van. Fan, van. You can see here and 2 last letters are same. Okay. Fan, van. Fan, van. These are rhyming words here. Fan, van. So please write here fan, van. Now next read top, bat. Top, bat. No. Top, hat. No. Top, ball. No, not same. Now let's try from here. Bat, hat. Bat, hat. So here you can see at. The last 2 letters here and here are same, right? So it means these 2 are rhyming words. Bat, hat. Now please write here bat, bat, hat. Okay, please practice with other words also. rhyming words. Okay, this is how you have to complete this page. Next, take your second book of phonics, book number 2. Open page number 11. Children, this will be your homework. Okay, you have to name the pictures, write the beginning sound. What is this? Alligator, ant, apple. A. What is the first beginning sound? A. So you have to write A. Okay. See, I have done already for you. You can go through it. Practice the pictures. You have to identify the beginning sound and write the letter. Okay. Next, take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 26. Children, here you can see Goldilocks. Goldilocks has bought some gifts for the 3 bears. Help her give the gifts based on size. I will be sending the link of the story Goldilocks and 3 bears. Please see the story also. Then you will understand. Okay. Now here you can see the bowls of 3 sizes. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. So, big bowl, it goes to baby. Bigger bowl, it goes to mama bear. Biggest bowl will go to papa bear. Okay, so this is how you have to do the matching. Children, you can see here I have done the matching. So you also do the same. The biggest mug goes to papa bear. The big cup goes to baby bear. The bigger cup goes to mama bear. So based on the size, you have to match to them, to the bears. Okay, you do with the chairs and gloves. Okay, this is how you have to match. I will also send you the link of story. Please enjoy the story. Okay, bye children, take care.